Lina's adventure. The geometric bee Lina was a curious little bee living in the enchanted forest of mathematics. She loved buzzing through the trees and flowers, discovering the magical secrets hidden in every corner. One day, while exploring a garden of shimmering flowers, something caught her eye. Tied to the stem of a golden flower was an ancient scroll. "The Secret of the Perfect Triangle," read the title, written in glowing golden letters. Intrigued, Lina carefully picked up the scroll and began to read. To create a perfect equilateral triangle, you'll need a ruler, a compass, and a dash of imagination. There are 2 ways to discover the secret. Choose one and begin. Excited, Lina decided to follow the instructions. The first method. Starting from a side, Lina landed on a flat stone and used her tiny stinger like a pencil to draw a straight line 6 centimeters long, naming its ends A and B. Now open the compass to the length of this line. Place the point on A and draw an arc. Then do the same starting from B. She carefully traced the magical arcs, and they intersected above the line. Lina marked the point of intersection as C. Connect the points A, B, and C with your magical ruler, the scroll instructed. When she finished, there it was, a perfect equilateral triangle. The second method, starting from a circle. The next part of the scroll offered a different challenge. Now, draw a magical circle. Pick any point on its edge and name it A. Lina used a nectar compass she found on the golden flower to draw a perfect circle. Then she marked a point on the edge as A. Without changing the compass, opening, place its point on A and make a mark on the edge. This will be point B. Repeat the process starting from B to find point C. Skillfully, Lina followed the instructions, and soon 3 evenly spaced points appeared along the circle's edge. Connect the points A, B, and C. Lina buzzed with joy as another perfect equilateral triangle emerged. Proud of her discovery, she carried the scroll back to her hive to share the secret with her fellow bees. From then on, Lina became known as the little geometric bee who spread the magic of triangles throughout the enchanted forest.